Have you heard of IPMB? It's changing how people invest. IPMB combines gold and cryptocurrency, two things that seem different but work great together. Gold is a classic investment. It's been valuable for centuries. Cryptocurrency is new and exciting, offering unique benefits. IPMB brings them together in a smart way. IPMB created a special token. This isn't your everyday digital coin. Each token is directly linked to physical gold. For every token you own, there's a gram of real gold waiting for you. This means your investment is stable and reliable. Gold has always held value, even when other things go up and down. Now you can access that stability in the crypto world. The link between IPMB tokens and gold is simple. 1 token equals 1 gram. This is not a promise, it's a guarantee. When you hold an IPMB token, you're holding the value of gold. This makes IPMB different from many cryptocurrencies. Crypto can be volatile, meaning prices change quickly. But gold is known for its stability. It tends to hold its value over time. IPMB's gold backing provides a safety net. Even if the crypto market experiences fluctuations, your investment is protected by the enduring value of gold. This makes IPMB a more secure and reliable investment option. Think of it like this. IPMB takes the best of both worlds. You get the innovation and potential of cryptocurrency with the stability and security of gold. That's a win-win. Investing with IPMB comes with a range of benefits. It's not just about stability, although that's a big one. IPMB offers advantages that traditional gold investments don't. Firstly, say goodbye to those pesky fees. Usually, owning gold means storage and insurance costs. IPMB eliminates these. You own the gold through your tokens, without the hassle of physical possession. Secondly, IPMB offers a way to earn rewards through staking. Staking means holding your tokens to support the network. In return, you earn more tokens. It's like your gold is earning interest just by being there. Thirdly, IPMB is committed to transparency and sustainability. They use a system called Gold Trace 360 to track their gold. This ensures that the gold is ethically sourced and accounted for. Lastly, IPMB offers liquidity. You can easily buy or sell your tokens on cryptocurrency exchanges. This gives you flexibility and control over your investment. Section 4, the future of gold investment, IPMB's unique proposition. IPMB presents a new way to think about gold investment. It's not just about owning a chunk of precious metal anymore. It's about accessing gold's value in a modern, flexible way. IPMB's proposition is unique. It bridges the gap between traditional gold markets and the exciting world of cryptocurrency. This opens up gold investment to a wider audience, especially those familiar with digital assets. The combination of stability, cost-effectiveness, and reward opportunities makes IPMB an attractive option for both seasoned investors and newcomers. It's a way to diversify your portfolio and tap into the enduring value of gold. The future of finance is evolving. IPMB is at the forefront of this evolution, offering a smarter, more accessible way to own and benefit from gold. Section 5. Take action. Diversify your portfolio with IPMB. Don't just watch from the sidelines. Now that you know about IPMB, consider exploring it further. Diversification is key to a healthy investment portfolio. Adding IPMB can bring a level of stability and growth potential. Do your research, understand the platform, and see if it aligns with your investment goals. IPMB's website is a great resource for detailed information, white papers, and FAQs. Remember, investing always involves risk, but IPMB's unique approach combining the stability of gold with the innovation of cryptocurrency presents a compelling opportunity in today's financial landscape. Crypto Inspector is out.